Alright, welcome back. So in this video, we have this problem here. We have -1 less than 2/3 x plus 1 less than or equal to 5. Okay, we're going to do the same thing that we've been doing. So I'm going to go ahead and subtract 1 from each side. So this becomes -1, or not -1, -2, less than 2/3 x, less than or equal to +4. Now, I have the dreaded fraction. We should know by now what we do with the dreaded fraction. We're going to multiply by our denominator. Our denominator is 3, so I'm going to multiply by 3. And I'm going to multiply everything by 3. So 3 times 4 becomes 12. And then 3 times 2/3 x becomes 2x. Then that's less than, and 3 times -2 becomes -6. All right, now it looks much nicer, right? We don't have any nasty little fractions. So now I'm going to just quite simply divide by the 2. And now that will give me -3 less than x less than or equal to 6. Isn't that much pretty? Much more pretty. Now, this is our shortened condensed interval, or not interval notation, inequality. Now we're going to write our interval notation. Our interval notation is going to be -3, 6. So it's including 6, so that means that that's going to be the braces on the right. It's not including -3, so that's going to be parentheses on the left. So really the interval notation for AND statements is easier. The only thing that makes the AND compound inequalities a little bit more difficult is that we need to understand that we need to subtract it or add it, do our operations to all 3 sides of our compound inequality. Now let's go ahead and graph this. And I have -3 here, I have -2, 0, I have 2, and I have 6. Okay, so let's see. I'm not including 3. I'm going to the, now look back. Now, if you get confused, okay, now you know that this is a compound inequality, but I'm getting confused here. I know that my 6, if I talk about my 6, right, it's including 6, and I know it's going to go that way. All right, now let's say I get confused. It says x, -3 less than x. So wait, I'm thinking, oh, that's going to go to the left. No, because we're talking about the values. The values of x are actually greater than, because if you think about it, this says the values of x are greater than the values of -3. Okay, so that lets me know in terms of when I'm dealing with this, I need to draw, and my drawing is like, ooh, okay, there we go. Hello. Drawing, come back. Come back to me. Okay, that lets me know I can rewrite this. So if I rewrite this statements, so that's going to give me x less than or equal to 6. Then I have -3 less than x. And in terms of graphing that, I'm going to rewrite that and switch my x and -3. When I switch, this inequality switches. So instead of less than, it now becomes greater than. Okay, that's a way that you can help keep it straight and not get tripped up on how you should graph your inequality. So it's going to be all in the middle, in between, not including 3. All right, I will send out the answer key along on Remind, and hopefully this will help you a little bit better on understanding compound inequalities. I will see you later. Good luck. Have a nice day.